So this is the second hack sprint that we've done with Hyper Island. And during these hack sprints, we present the students with a real-world challenge, and we ask them to hack together real-world solutions with real-world impact. I continue to be amazed by the curiosity and the grit that the students exhibit. It's truly amazing.
I think one of the biggest reasons for Philip and for Volvo to keep coming back to Hyper Island is the access that they get to future talent. Volvo being a big player in changing the future of the industry also requires them to tap into new talent, and getting the chance to be part of the education is one way of doing that.
I think we are excited because we have experience working with Hyper Island and the students here, and it's so inspiring to see what they can accomplish in a short time.
It was a very challenging task. We had to include a lot of different components. I think we had a really good idea, which was also unique. It was a very simple idea, and sometimes you have to go for a simple, well thought of, like, just, yeah, this can actually happen. And I think we reached in components, we saw we had an insight, we went for it, and we found a feasible solution.